welcome back to my channel. First of all, in today's video I am going to be speaking in English, since on my previous video many of you have requested me to speak in English as Bengali is not understandable by all. It's okay, I understand. With no further ado, let's start our video. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how to make fried rice the perfect way. So here I have pre-boiled water and a kg of pure basmati rice which I had soaked it earlier in water. So here I am adding the basmati rice into the boiled water and then I am going to be putting on the lid. We are going to let it cook for few minutes, and next step I am going to open the lid and just check it whether it is cooked or not. So basmati rice doesn't take much time to cook, and now it is already semi-cooked. So this part was not supposed to be done by me because it was quite risky, so my mom helped me to drain the water from the rice. So if there is anyone who is going to be making the same, please make sure that you have an helping hand while making it. We also have to keep in mind that there should be no stickiness on the rice, so we have to make sure that the water is drained very properly. Now she placed it on a stand and which will be kept for some few seconds so that the remaining water is drained properly. Now after few seconds, here we have opened the lid. Now you can see the rice, the texture of the rice, not greasy at all. Now this is quite interesting. While draining the water, the rice is taken shape. So now we are going to separate it from one another. Now in the pan I have added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now these are the ingredients which we are going to fry it for some time on the pan. Now here I have 2 types of dry fruit, kaju and kishmish, which I will not fry but will saute it for few seconds and keep it aside. After we are done with the kaju and kishmish part, we'll just keep it aside and add more vegetable oil onto the pan, since we have the other ingredients which we need to fry. So at first I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The purpose of adding the sugar is it will not just add color to the fried rice but also give a very good flavor to it. We need to wait for few seconds for the sugar to melt. Now that the sugar is melted, we will just let it set for some few seconds. Then we will add 3 or 4 bay leaves. The purpose of putting bay leaves onto the fried rice is that it will add a very good flavor. So now I am going to add the ingredients which we need to fry. So here I have some freshly chopped carrots and some freshly chopped beans, and to be noted that I am going to add the capsicum later, since these 2 ingredients will take much time to cook. We have to cook these both ingredients very well because we are going to add it onto our rice. Now that I am frying it on vegetable oil, many people might think why I am doing this, but since I am going the healthy way, I have used vegetable oil. But yeah, definitely for better taste or for better experience you can use ghee or butter as well. So next up I have used 1 tablespoon of salt. We can add it as per our taste. After both of these ingredients is partly cooked, we are going to add the freshly chopped capsicums. And fry it very well. Now it can be seen that all the ingredients are fried really well. So now I am going to add the kaju and kishmish onto it, which I had kept it aside earlier, and mix it really well. Here I have added more salt to it, since I already said like it is as per our taste. Now we will mix it very well, and then our frying part will be done. Now that our frying part is done, we have to keep in mind that I have added only half of the rice onto the karai, and we will mix the ingredients really well with the rice. We will slowly add the rice and we will mix it really well. Now the rice which we have mixed with the veggies will be added onto the other half of the rice, and we will slowly mix it. This part is also quite risky since the utensil is quite hot, so I will recommend to have an helping hand obviously. Now slowly, after adding the rice, it was just splitted all over, never mind. We will add a tablespoon of salt and we will mix it again. Now we will just keep on mixing and keeping on mixing. After that our fried rice will be ready to serve on the plate. So if you're one of the person who is wondering what should be the side dish for this, then you can definitely go for chicken kosha or mutton kosha. I have already made a video on chicken kosha on my previous video. You can go and check it on my timeline. So this is how we make fried rice. And also, if you want to see more content like this, then please like, share my videos and subscribe my channel if you are new here. And I'd like to do a shout out on my next video, so please comment down below. And I'm nothing without your support. Your support means everything to me. So we'll see you on another video. Till then, keep sharing, keep loving. Take care. Tata.